The MacBook Neo was supposed to be Apple's cheap little side project. Instead, it turned into a complete mess. Stores are running out of stock, buyers are panic buying it everywhere, and now Apple looks trapped by its own strategy. And this whole situation exposes how badly Apple underestimated regular people. The company thought people would ignore a weak budget MacBook. But the second buyer saw that Apple logo with a $599 price tag, everything changed. Some students even grabbed it for around $499 with education deals. That instantly made it feel like the cheap MacBook everyone was waiting for. And now Apple cannot control the demand anymore. But here is the problem nobody talks about. The MacBook Neo is not even that impressive. It starts with only 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. No ProMotion display, no premium keyboard lighting. Battery life is average compared to the MacBook Air. Apple basically stripped features away just to hit a lower price. On paper, this thing looks more like a compromise machine than a premium laptop. Yet people still bought it like crazy. And that created a nightmare behind the scenes for Apple. The biggest issue is the A18 Pro chip powering the MacBook Neo. Now reports say Apple originally used leftover chips with damaged GPU cores. Instead of throwing them away, Apple recycled them into the MacBook Neo. Clever idea, cheap production, extra profit, easy business move. Except now the leftover supply is drying up fast. That means Apple may actually need to manufacture special chips just for this laptop. And once that happens, the whole budget MacBook idea starts falling apart. Producing extra chips only to disable parts manually makes no sense financially. Apple wanted cheap leftovers. Now they may have to spend more money just to keep the Neo alive. And what does Apple do every time profits get threatened? Raise prices. That is why leaks about the MacBook Neo S or Neo SE are starting to sound less exciting and more suspicious. Apple could remove the cheapest 256 GB model completely and force buyers toward a more expensive 512 GB version. Suddenly, the affordable MacBook becomes another overpriced Apple product wearing a fake budget label. What makes this even funnier is that older MacBook Air models are still better in many ways. An M2 or M3 MacBook Air gives you stronger performance, better efficiency, a better keyboard, and longer battery life. In real-world use, those machines absolutely crush the Neo. But Apple knows most buyers do not compare specs carefully. People see something new. They see shiny colors. They see fresh marketing. That is enough. And leaks now suggest Apple may relaunch the same laptop with new colors, tiny changes, and a new name just to restart the hype cycle again. Same machine, same limits, different branding. The worst part is that people will probably still buy it. Apple understands that the logo matters more than value to many customers. Buyers want the newest box, the newest launch, and the feeling of owning the latest Apple product, even if the hardware is weaker than older models already sitting on store shelves. According to leaks, the MacBook Neo S could launch later in 2026, possibly with a starting price around $699, if Apple removes the cheaper version completely. So the budget MacBook may not stay budget for long. That is all for today. What do you think about the MacBook Neo S leaks? Drop your thoughts below, and I'll catch you in the next one.